Okay, Gurucha explains now. Brain reading? Good. Me break big money magic so even hungry mammoth understand. Sit close. No drift away. Gurucha teach. Brain stay here. You wake up, smell pancakes. Buttermilk, syrup drip, happy morning. But what does the same stack cost more this year than last? Gurucha say, this is fiscal policy at work, government deciding how much to spend and how much to collect in taxes. When leaders build highways, repair bridges, or fund new schools, they hire workers and buy lumber, steel, and trucks. That extra demand can push up the cost of ingredients like flour, eggs, and maple syrup. Later, if they dial back spending or adjust taxes upward, they can cool the pace of price increases, helping the economy stay steady rather than letting prices race ahead. Your breakfast quietly follows the rhythm of how the nation spends and saves, even if you never see a single politician in your kitchen. Think of taxes as a wide river, not a hungry beast. Every paycheck, every store purchase, every property payment sends little streams of dollars into that river. Those waters build things everyone uses. Clean water systems, sturdy roads, research labs, disaster relief. Sometimes the river flows faster after a hurricane or recession, so government can repair and rebuild. Other times it slows, so households keep more cash. The goal is steady current, not flood or drought, so the whole village economy stays healthy. Picture a giant economy cart with two pedals. One marked spending, the other taxation. Press spending and the cart speeds up. More jobs, more paychecks, hotter growth. Press taxation and the cart slows. Cooler prices, less risk of runaway inflation. Fiscal policy is that simple. Adjust the pedals to keep the ride smooth. Push too hard on spending and prices can jump. Press too hard on taxes and hiring can stall. Balance keeps the cart rolling steady. The economy acts like a giant campfire. Cold season, recession, work is scarce and trade slows. The tribe tosses extra wood, more government spending and lower taxes, so everyone stays warm and jobs return. Busy summer, boom, trading is strong and sparks fly. Leaders pull back wood, spend less, collect more taxes, so flames don't leap and burn the forest. This is the heart of fiscal policy. Add or remove wood to keep the fire bright but safe. History proves the pattern. After the 2008 financial crisis and during the 2020 pandemic, extra wood, stimulus spending, and tax relief kept the fire from dying. When growth roared back, policy shifted to prevent the blaze from getting out of control. Fiscal policy is not distant wizard work. When you drive on a new highway, attend a public college, or see a hospital expand, you witness government spending in action. When you file your tax return, you supply the river that keeps those services flowing. To keep the economic campfire burning just right, take the lead yourself. Read city budgets, check how public money is spent, learn how taxes and spending influence interest rates and national debt. Millions of people making these small, informed choices together keep long-term growth steady and the economy balanced.
That all? You subscribe or me sad?